Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Vitor.
And I'm Paula.
And we are Flourish, a channel about financial and personal growth.
So, it's tax season! In today's video, we're gonna give you all the details of how taxes work in Canada. And we know that it can be a little bit intimidating in the beginning, but once you get to know the process, like the basics, it's actually very simple. And we believe that's something that everybody should know.
So if you're interested in this video, already smash the like button, subscribe, activate the notifications, share with your friends and family, and let's begin.
In Canada, we have a progressive tax bracket system, which means the higher the income, the higher the tax rate. And we also have two types of taxes, federal tax and provincial tax. Federal taxes are the same for everybody across Canada, and provincial taxes obviously depend on the province that you live in. Okay guys, so here we have the federal and provincial tax rates. Like we said, federal taxes are the same for everybody, and provincial, we chose Ontario just because that's where we live. Now let's do an example of the federal taxes calculation. Let's assume your taxable income is $50,000. Now, as you can see, it falls under the second tax bracket. However, you're not going to pay the 20.5% rate on the whole $50,000. As you can see, first you have to fill up the first bracket, and then the remaining will fall into the second bracket, which gives us a total of $7,554 tax payable. And for the provincial, it's pretty much the same thing. And this gives us a total of $10,279, combining both federal and provincial taxes. This is approximately 20.56% of marginal tax rate, and it's quite high, and it's approximately 2.5 months worth of your annual salary, which is crazy.
However, this amount is not necessarily what you have to pay at the end of the year when you file your taxes. Because if you're an employee, for example, probably you already noticed that they already deduct on every paycheck the federal and provincial taxes. So that way you're not presented with this chunk of money that you have to pay for tax at the end of the year, right? They deduct little by little, so it's more convenient to all of us. And on top of that, we have credits and deductions that you can claim and lower even more the taxes that you owe, or even give you a refund, which means the government will pay you back. Deductions are certain expenses that you had throughout the year and that you can claim in order to lower your taxable income, and that can also result in a lower tax bracket or even a refund. So let's say you have an annual salary of $50,000. Now, if you have, let's say, $5,000 in deductions, your new taxable income is now $45,000. And this $45,000 only falls under the first tax bracket, which is 15%. Hence, you will pay less tax.
Now, credits, on the other hand, reduce the amount of tax payable, tax that you owe, and they can be refundable and non-refundable. Let's go back to Vitor's example. Let's say you have an annual income of $50,000, and after your deductions, it's $45,000. That results in a tax payable of $6,750. But you also have $7,000 worth of credits. If you decide to claim this credit, you have to think about if they're refundable or non-refundable. if you claim $7,000 worth of non-refundable credit, that means it can only lower your tax payable to zero, but you lose that $250, which it probably could be smarter to use in another year, to carry it forward to another year where you can make use of the whole amount. Or if these $7,000 worth of credit are refundable, that means that your tax payable will be zero and the government will give you back $250. So that's it for today's video, guys. We really hope you enjoyed it and got the most out of it, of course. And we're going to be leaving down below 2 links. One to all of the rates, the tax rates, federal and provincial, and one to all of the deductions and credits available.
Also, stay tuned for our next video because we'll walk you through how to file your taxes with Wealth Simple. Yes. Which, by the way, very easy.
Super easy.
So if you like this video and you're ready to grow financially and personally, subscribe to this channel, activate the notifications, like this video, and share with your friends and family. And see you next time.